Hello. In this video, we will talk about one function called counter in Python. And this function is used to count the items, count the keys, and will return a dictionary with how many keys and how many values for these keys from a list object in Python. So for example, if we first import this module, so from collections import a counter function, then we have a list breakfast with 4 items. Then we can use a counter to get the information from this breakfast and return a dictionary breakfast counter. Then we will show how we can perform these operations in Python IDE. So first, just import this module. This is a standard module from Python. Then we can use counter function to this breakfast list and get the result is a dictionary. So this dictionary will get the counter types of objects, and inside information in the dictionary with span3 and x1 for dictionary. Then you can also use the method for these types of objects for counter object using most common. So it will return the information in descending order from the values for each key. So now span is first and egg is second. Inside is a tuple for each one, then put in a list. And we can also set option 1 here in most common. Then the result will only return the most oftenly frequent with the highest frequent values for this tuple. So span 3 is returned. Then next we will create another counter object. So this time we have a lunch list, also with egg, and bacon. Then we create a counter object from this lunch list, and we show the lunch counter. The lunch counter has 2 key value pairs with eggs 2 and bacon 1. Now you can use the addition for these 2 counter objects. So now we can see, because breakfast has 3 1 for the span and egg, and lunch has egg 2 and bacon 1. So the result is span 3, egg 3, and bacon 1. It's also a type of counter object. And similarly, you can use the minus. So subtract 1 counter from another. Just use the minus. So we subtract lunch counter from breakfast counter. And the result is span 3. So subject may return the new negative value, but the negative values key value pair will not be returned in the result. So it's only the positive part is returned. So only span 3. So span 3 is returned. Span 3 because the eggs and the bacon may be 0 or negative. And you can also use the lunch counter minus the breakfast counter. So this time is only 1 egg and 1 bacon left. 1 egg and 1 bacon if we minus the lunch, minus the breakfast from the lunch. And another 2 operator is AND and OR. So AND is just like intersection. So the common part of these 2 counter object will be returned. Counterpart is only 1 egg, right? because the first has 1 egg and the second has 2 egg. 2 egg, 1 bacon, and 3 span 1 egg. So the common part is only 1 egg. And alternatively, you can use this union of the bar operator represent the union of these two counter objects. So the result is 3 span, egg 2, and bacon 1. So each key will return the largest value of each key in either counter object of this operation. So 3 for the span, 2 for the egg, and 1 for the bacon returned in the result. So this is a counter function, quite intuitive and interesting from Python. Thanks for watching.